Ask me not, oh gently Savior, hear my humble cry, while another thou art calling. Lord, please don't pass me by. Sister Cassie? Sister Cassie? Sister Cassie? Then, Sister Cassie, in a this day and age, you still a use piss pat? Hi there, Agatha. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yes, Agatha. Yes. Me still have to use me piss pat. No matter how much inside bathroom you have, it's very good to have one of these at home. Sometimes your belly take you at night. You can't even walk to catch at the bathroom no matter how near it is to your bedroom. So it's good to have one of these at home. Sister Agatha, it's good to have one of these at home. I'm telling you, if you don't have one, you need to run, go downtown and catch one. Whether it is just like this or plastic, and push it down in a one corner because you never know when you are going to need it. Then back in the day and now at two different time. Because I don't know why sickness have a love take you at night. And sometimes as near as you is to your husband or your children them in the house, you can't even holler out to them. Sometimes you want vomit, you want use it in a different form. You need to have one. I'm telling you, a good thing me ben had this a one ya. I where the belly take me so till I could hardly get up. And then through me still have a little outside latrine. Because me still a pass through sufferation. Me no got the inside one yet. I mean, I tell you, say a good thing me be had this a one year me have to draft. Because me I tell you, say, I don't have church, me been go there the rally. I me go eat some food at the rally. And when me come in at the night, hey, may I tell you me this I me this me this whoa, you should have hear me like cow. Me so like cow, me so like goat, all of the animal them. To hold me belly take me and you know if me stomach no good already. I tell you, I fat up myself, and when me think say I fat, I come, hey, and the big one, me this have me draw out the peel from the bed, and sit down on the all me, me say, I mean the time me I mean me say, nobody never there fi help me in the night. One piece of colic. I never even know say people still have colic, baba. Yeah, me never know that because I hears me no see I hear about colic. I baby me know colic, but nah, me never know. Cause when me me used to have colic every Sunday when me heat up the ice cream and the rice and peas. But me I tell you, I God Almighty, me I tell you, me belly. I know me belly. Me still not fully get overheat yet. Me say bright as Monday morning, me have to find myself a doctor. Hey, Doctor say your food poisoning. Me never know food could have poison you. It look like me know there. Cause years me no see I hear about them the same thing there. Yes, so alright then you hear. me a, me a go a bathroom, go get myself together cause me have to go a prayer meeting tonight. But come to think of it, you know, they have a all night prayer meeting at church. Me no know if me can penny whole night because sleep the right yes up on the eye the right now out fi drop off. So me don't know how long me a go stay. But at the same time, me have to go down there go pray because so much things that we pray over these days, you know. Oh Lord. Hey, I'm telling you. Hey, oh God Almighty. Woo, I'm telling you. I mean, I tell you, say me I pray, and some of them still now come true, but me I continue pray. Because me I tell you, say, even the country where me live in, I tell you, say, the crime my heart escalate. Eh? I pray. But I don't know. It still I get out of control. But me not a pray. I mean I beg you no help me pray too. Cause something have to happen. Hey, I'm telling you, it have to happen. We have to draw board, draw rope, something to make it up. Hey, I can't take it no more, man. But all right then. May we see you later. Call me when you got a prayer meeting. Call me. All right. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Thank you.